Statement 37. Everything in life gives you experience. From the most humble position to the most exalted position, there is something life is trying to teach you. There is a gift waiting for you to unwrap it if you would only take the time to peel back the paper. We can get blinded by the obligations of a role or the stresses of a position. So much so that we can't see all the wonderful lessons and moments we are experiencing. All the amazing knowledge and skills we are acquiring. Keep your eyes open. Keep your ears open. Keep your mind open. You never know what the universe will gift you next.